Good morning, Sophie. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Jack. I am feeling wonderful today.
That is great to hear on this beautiful morning.
Yes, the fresh morning air feels very refreshing.
Did you sleep well and wake up energized today?
Yes, I slept peacefully and woke up feeling refreshed.
A good night's sleep helps us stay productive.
I completely agree because it improves my concentration.
What are your plans for this morning today?
I plan to finish work and practice English.
That sounds like a productive way to begin.
I always feel satisfied after completing important tasks.
Staying productive helps us achieve our goals faster.
Yes, consistency is important for long-term success.
Have you already had breakfast this morning, Sophie?
Yes, I enjoyed fruit, toast, and a hot drink.
That sounds healthy and delicious at the same time.
It gave me energy to start the day well.
Energy is important when learning and practicing English.
Absolutely, learning becomes easier when we feel active.
How often do you practice speaking English daily?
I practice speaking English for 30 minutes daily.
That is an excellent habit for improving fluency.
Regular practice helps me become more confident speaking.
Confidence plays a major role in communication skills.
Yes, confidence helps reduce fear during conversations.
What is your favorite way to practice English?
I enjoy listening and repeating useful conversations aloud.
That method improves pronunciation and speaking speed quickly.
It also helps me remember common expressions easily.
Have you learned any new phrases recently, Sophie?
Yes, I learned several greetings and polite responses.
Greetings are important in daily English conversations.
They help people start conversations comfortably and naturally.
What greeting do you use most frequently?
I usually say hello and ask how people are.
That is simple, friendly, and easy to remember.
Most people respond positively to friendly greetings.
Have you ever met someone new recently, Sophie?
Yes, I met a new colleague during work.
How did you start the conversation with them?
I introduced myself and asked about their responsibilities.
That sounds polite and professional at the same time.
The conversation became comfortable after several minutes.
Making connections becomes easier through friendly communication.
Yes, people appreciate kindness and genuine interest.
Do you enjoy meeting new people regularly?
Yes, I enjoy learning about different experiences.
Meeting people can teach us many valuable lessons.
I agree because everyone has unique perspectives.
What do you usually do during weekends, Sophie?
I spend time reading books and visiting friends.
That sounds relaxing and enjoyable after busy weekdays.
It helps me recharge and stay mentally refreshed.
Do your friends also practice English sometimes?
Yes, we occasionally practice speaking together online.
Practicing with friends can be both fun and useful.
It definitely makes learning less stressful and enjoyable.
What kind of books do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy self-improvement and motivational books mostly.
Those books often contain useful vocabulary and ideas.
They inspire me to continue learning every day.
Reading regularly improves comprehension and communication skills.
That is one reason I enjoy reading often.
Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently, Sophie?
Not recently, but I hope to travel soon.
Where would you like to travel in future?
I would love visiting Canada and exploring nature.
Canada is known for beautiful landscapes and scenery.
That is exactly why I want to visit.
Traveling creates opportunities to practice English naturally.
Real conversations help reinforce language learning effectively.
What weather do you enjoy the most, Sophie?
I enjoy cool mornings with sunshine and gentle breezes.
Pleasant weather encourages people to spend time outdoors.
Yes, outdoor activities improve both mood and health.
Do you exercise regularly during the week?
Yes, I usually walk every morning before work.
Morning walks sound like a healthy daily routine.
They help clear my mind and improve focus.
Focus is essential when learning new skills.
I agree because distractions slow down progress significantly.
What motivates you to improve your English fluency?
Better career opportunities motivate me every single day.
That is a strong reason for learning English.
Communication skills are important in many professions.
Employers often value strong communication and teamwork abilities.
That encourages me to keep practicing consistently.
Consistency often produces better results than perfection.
I like that idea because it reduces pressure.
Small improvements eventually create significant long-term progress.
That perspective helps me remain patient and determined.
Have you learned anything useful from today's conversation?
Yes, I practiced greetings and speaking more naturally.
That is excellent progress for today's practice session.
Thank you, Jack. This conversation was very helpful.
I am glad you enjoyed practicing together today.
I always enjoy improving my fluency through conversations.
Let's continue practicing and building confidence every day.
Absolutely. Regular practice will help us improve.
Have a wonderful day and keep speaking confidently.
Thank you, Jack. Have a wonderful day, too.
Take care and continue learning something new daily.
I certainly will, and look forward to tomorrow.
See you next time for another fluency practice.
See you next time, and stay positive always.
Before we finish, I would like to ask more questions.
Of course, Jack. I always enjoy practicing conversations together.
What time do you usually start your workday?
I usually begin working around 9 every morning.
That sounds like a well-organized daily routine.
I try my best to follow a consistent schedule.
Consistent schedules often improve productivity and efficiency.
Yes, they help me manage responsibilities more effectively.
What is the first thing you do at work?
I usually check emails and organize important tasks.
Organization is an important skill in every workplace.
It definitely helps me avoid unnecessary stress later.
Do you enjoy working with other people regularly?
Yes, teamwork often makes projects more enjoyable and successful.
Good teamwork improves both results and workplace relationships.
I completely agree because collaboration brings valuable ideas.
What qualities make someone a good team member?
Respect, communication, and reliability are very important qualities.
Those qualities help create a positive work environment.
People perform better when they feel appreciated and respected.
Have you ever worked on a challenging project?
Yes, but teamwork helped overcome many difficulties successfully.
Challenges often teach valuable lessons and useful skills.
That is true, because difficult situations encourage growth.
What skill would you like to improve next?
I would like to improve my public speaking skills.
Public speaking becomes easier with regular practice sessions.
That is why I try speaking English every day.
Speaking regularly improves fluency and pronunciation naturally.
I have noticed improvements since beginning daily practice.
That is encouraging and shows your dedication clearly.
Thank you. Consistency has made a significant difference.
Do you prefer studying alone or with others?
I enjoy both because each method offers benefits.
Studying alone allows more focus and personal reflection.
Yes, but studying with others provides useful feedback.
Feedback helps learners identify areas needing improvement.
Exactly. It helps me correct mistakes more quickly.
What do you usually do after finishing work?
I like relaxing, reading, and spending time outdoors.
Those activities sound healthy and enjoyable after work.
They help me maintain balance in everyday life.
Maintaining balance is important for long-term success.
I agree because constant stress affects performance negatively.
How do you usually spend your evenings, Sophie?
I enjoy family conversations and sometimes watch documentaries.
Documentaries can be entertaining and educational simultaneously.
They often teach interesting facts about different topics.
Learning new information keeps our minds active.
Yes, continuous learning makes life more interesting.
What subject interests you the most currently?
I am interested in communication and personal development.
Those subjects improve both personal and professional life.
That is one reason I enjoy learning about them.
Have you set any goals for this year?
Yes, I want stronger English fluency and confidence.
Those are excellent goals requiring consistent effort.
I am committed to practicing regularly until improvement happens.
Determination is one of the keys to success.
I believe persistence helps people achieve difficult goals.
What advice would you give beginner English learners?
Practice daily and never fear making mistakes publicly.
That advice could help many learners stay motivated.
Mistakes are part of the learning process naturally.
Every mistake provides an opportunity to improve skills.
That mindset makes learning much less intimidating.
Do you enjoy listening to English podcasts regularly?
Yes, podcasts help improve my listening comprehension significantly.
Listening skills are essential for successful communication.
Understanding others clearly improves conversations greatly.
What kind of podcast topics interest you most?
I enjoy educational and motivational podcast discussions.
Those topics often contain useful vocabulary and expressions.
They also provide ideas for meaningful conversations.
Meaningful conversations help develop fluency more naturally.
Yes, realistic discussions prepare learners for daily situations.
Have you noticed improvement in listening recently?
Yes, understanding spoken English feels easier now.
That shows your efforts are producing positive results.
Hearing that motivates me to continue practicing.
Motivation plays a major role in learning success.
Staying motivated helps people overcome temporary difficulties.
What do you do when motivation feels low?
I remind myself why I started learning English.
Remembering your purpose can restore determination quickly.
It helps me focus on long-term goals.
Long-term thinking often leads to greater achievements.
I completely agree with that important lesson.
Today's discussion has covered many useful everyday topics.
Yes, and every topic felt practical and relevant.
Practical conversations help learners use English confidently.
Confidence grows when we practice realistic situations.
You have spoken very clearly throughout today's session.
Thank you. I am trying to improve steadily.
Your improvement is noticeable and very encouraging.
I appreciate your support and positive feedback.
Positive feedback often increases confidence and motivation.
It certainly encourages me to keep moving forward.
We are approaching the end of today's practice.
Time passed quickly because the conversation was engaging.
I enjoyed discussing different topics with you today.
I enjoyed it as well and learned a lot.
Let's continue improving our fluency together tomorrow.
Absolutely. I look forward to our next conversation.
Until then, keep practicing and stay confident.
Thank you, Jack. I will continue practicing daily.
Before we leave, let's discuss some daily greetings.
That sounds great because greetings are very important.
What greeting do you use during early mornings?
I usually say good morning with a friendly smile.
A smile often makes greetings feel warmer.
Yes, it helps create a positive first impression.
What greeting do you use during afternoons?
I usually say good afternoon in professional situations.
That sounds polite and appropriate for many occasions.
People appreciate respectful greetings during conversations.
How do you greet close friends casually?
I often say hello or simply say hi.
Casual greetings help conversations feel more relaxed.
Yes, they make communication easier and friendlier.
What greeting do you use during evenings?
I usually say good evening when meeting someone.
Good evening sounds professional and very respectful.
It works well in formal and social settings.
Do you greet neighbors when you see them?
Yes, greeting neighbors helps build friendly relationships.
Strong relationships improve the sense of community.
I completely agree with that important idea.
Have you ever forgotten to greet someone?
Yes, but I apologized and greeted them later.
That was thoughtful and showed good manners.
I believe respect should always come first.
Respectful communication creates trust between people.
Trust is important in every relationship we build.
What do you say when meeting someone new?
I introduce myself and ask simple questions.
That is a great way to begin conversations.
It helps people feel comfortable and welcomed.
Do you enjoy talking with new people?
Yes, because every person has unique experiences.
Learning from others broadens our understanding greatly.
Different perspectives help us grow as individuals.
Have greetings changed with online communication?
Yes, people often use shorter greetings online.
Technology has certainly influenced communication habits.
However, politeness remains important in every conversation.
I completely agree with that thoughtful observation.
Respectful language leaves a positive, lasting impression.
What greeting would you use in an interview?
I would say good morning and introduce myself.
That sounds professional and confident at the same time.
First impressions are very important during interviews.
Preparation helps people feel more confident.
Confidence improves communication and reduces nervousness.
What greeting would you use while traveling abroad?
I would use simple and friendly greetings.
Simple greetings are easy for everyone to understand.
They help start conversations without difficulty.
Do you think greetings can affect relationships?
Yes, greetings show respect and positive intentions.
Positive intentions help build stronger connections.
People remember kindness even in small interactions.
That is a valuable lesson for everyone.
Small actions often create meaningful experiences.
Have you enjoyed today's fluency practice session?
Yes, it was informative, practical, and enjoyable.
I'm glad you found the session useful.
Every conversation helps improve my English skills.
Consistent practice leads to long-term success.
I will continue practicing with dedication and patience.
That attitude will help you achieve your goals.
Thank you for your encouragement and guidance today.
You are welcome, and keep believing in yourself.
I certainly will and continue learning every day.
Have a wonderful day and keep speaking confidently.
Thank you, Jack, and have a wonderful day too.